Hey everyone, welcome back to Android Games Review. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with this review of the game called as Pocket Tales. Now, this game has been on my list for a very long time. I think it's been more than a couple of months since I wanted to talk about this game, but I never got the chance. I was never in the right mood to talk about it. But today I am more than happy to talk about Pocket Tales. So the game has been loaded. I'll just zoom out a little bit. Okay. So this is the overall game. Now Pocket Tales is a island survival type of game where it follows the same concept that you might have experienced in other games. The same gameplay, which includes gathering resources, hunting down animals, making your own food, making your own weapons and armors, and just surviving on that island. So this game also follows the same concept that we have seen in other kind of island survival games, but there are two things that make this game stand out from the rest of the games that I have played so far, and I'm specifically talking about survival games or island survival type of games. The first thing that made this game very impressive to me, it was the game design. The game design is absolutely brilliant. And when I talk about game design, I'm already including the graphics, I'm including the visual effects, I'm including the sound effects, music. I'm already including all of those elements, but there is one part of this game that really caught my attention, and that was the way this game interacts with you. Now, within the game, I'll start with the story of this game. So, the story of the game is that uh, you as a player, let's just say you as a player, are stuck in a mobile game world and you have to escape from that world. So, the main character of this game is basically stuck in a mobile game, which is this survival island part, and he has to escape from this game. So, he has to survive all the challenges that come here and then escape from this game where he has been stuck. This is the main concept or plot of the game. Now, the even better things that come up within this game is there are multiple characters within the game, and there is a main character within the game, and throughout the game those characters are constantly interacting with you. So you as a player will constantly have some kind of interaction or dialogues which will continue within the game. This is the first thing. The second thing is, even when you are playing the game and you are making any kind of progress, you are constantly being reminded through some kind of interactive design that you have progressed in the game, or this is where you stand within the game. There's always some kind of interaction that is happening within the game, and I'm highlighting this point because when I used to play other kind of survival games, I used to remember that the game starts and the game ends, and in between all that there is this constant loop of doing things which becomes very repetitive in terms of your experience. So you have to every day gather the resources, you have to every day do the hunting, you have to every day fight some wild animals. So those kind of tasks or activities, they become very repetitive, right? And this is what I noticed in this game, that one second, I'll just take her to the bed. Okay. Okay, so this is what I've noticed, that that experience becomes very repetitive, and you know that the same kind of task will happen every day. But over here, the way those interactions happen within the game, and that is something that makes every experience of yours very unique. It will not become boring, it will not become repetitive. In fact, it will engage you even more. That is the number one thing that I have noticed in this game, because that was something that was very exciting. That was something that made me stay engaged within the game. So I will highlight that part. The second part of the game that I really like is the game has a very calming and relaxing vibe. You literally have to do nothing in this game, and I swear by that. You don't have to do anything. All the resources that you need within the game, they are provided to you. For example, this, then there's something that will, the resources, they will arrive at the shores, so you just have to collect them. There is no such extremely challenging activity that makes you stressed out or anything. The overall vibe of this game is calming, soothing, and just cozy. You are here to experience this this experience, and that is what I am trying to highlight, because they emphasize a lot on using headphones for better experience, and I swear that really works. The background music is also very calming. Just see this. Okay, there was a music, but right now it's not there. Okay, but what I'm trying to say is that the experience is very calming. You just have to relax and enjoy this game. You don't have to worry about, okay, there's a side mission that I have not completed. Okay, there's a wolf invasion. I mean, these are the tiny things that happen within the game, but none of those things will stress you out. You can still play it, you can skip the game, or you can log out, and then when you come back again, you will still get some kind of resources. So I think the developers have really focused on ensuring that you have to just enjoy the game. You don't have to worry about anything. I'll just... Okay, I have to take care of this. Okay, they have attacked someone. I'm still playing. 1 second. Yes. And I really love the background music. I really love the background music, because when I move to the other... When I moved to another round or another world, I was really missing the music, because that created a very different impact on me. It really calms you down. So I'll just do some more hunting. Now we have this phone feature over here. We can complete this. There is also one more feature which I really liked. I think it's okay. These are the survivors. These are the things that you can shop. Again, we have free resources. I mean, the overall game is about slowing down and just enjoying the graphics. This is the day mode. Now it will turn into... So what I'm trying to say is that I absolutely love this game. I'm still playing this game, and I am not going to give up on this one, because there are many elements of this game that will keep you engaged. This is not a very perfect type of game where everything is perfect, but the experience that you will get is something that is, worth remembering, because I am assuring you this thing, because I have been playing this for a long time and I'm still loving every single thing about this game. So this is my review on Pocket Tales. If you have played this game, or if you are playing this game, let me know in the comment section, and do give this one a try, because you will completely love this one. I'll just collect my resources, and for more games reviews, please, I forgot my line, it's been a long time, so follow me for more games and reviews. And until then, I'll be back with until next time, I'll be back with some more game reviews. Follow Android Games Review on Instagram, on YouTube, anywhere, and please play this game, because it's a brilliant game. I swear you will not regret it. So until then, everyone, take care and have a nice day. Bye.